Alright, we're going to be playing the big one. I just found there's a free play on it, so can't believe someone just left it like that. Let's go for this orange bear first. See if I can get this. Ooh, I don't know if it'll go over. It's pretty good right there. Let's try it right there. Ooh, maybe that could have it. If it doesn't. Oh my gosh, I got a blue dog. No way, no way. Oh, 2-in-1 right there. See, a perfect 2-in-1. Ooh. There. Ooh, come on, that should get it. Right there. Right there. Come on, grab it. 2-in-1. 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 No. It's gettable now. Alright, alright. It's pretty good right there. Ooh, that should have it. 2-in-1. Please. Yes, 2-in-1. Stay. No, no. Let's try right there. Ooh, perfect spin. This doesn't grab it. Yes, stay. No, oh my gosh. Yes, stay. Get in there, right there. Come on, 2-in-1, 2-in-1. Yes, got it. 2-in-1. Wow. Ugh. Nice, a 2-in-1. Look at that, 2-in-1. Alright. Should we keep going here? I think we should. Oh, crap, I pressed the drop button, but I think that's okay because I might still have it. Oh, man, no. Alright, one more time for this fish right here. Looks pretty good right there. Maybe I'll get a 2-in-1, who knows. Yes, that should have it right there. Ooh, come on. Yes, got it. Stay. Right there. Come on. Make it. Yes. Look at that. Ooh, that should have him. I should have him right there. By the butt. Come on, stay. Stay. Nice, got the dog. Nice. Wow. Do a little picture of the dog here. Alright, the claw machines are super stuffed. Today's gonna be a great day. Wow, everything's gettable. Holy crap, I am exploding just about. Definitely going for this guy right here. Not even gonna use my angles, drop it right there. First try from the plushie claw. Let's see if we got him. Yep, we got him, nice. Like a 2-in-1 because it's right by the chute. I should have him. Oh, dang it. If maybe I'll get a 2-in-1. Get something else. Oh my gosh, that shark could be rakeable. Oh, I might have missed him. Oh, maybe not. I don't think he'll stay all the way through. Oh, yes, he will. Nice, got the shark. He's gettable. 2-in-1? I don't think he'll stay. Oh, maybe he will. Oh, 2-in-1. Oh, come on. It's ridiculous. Maybe I'll knock him in if it drops it. Yes. Oh, how did that let go? That was rigged or something. Oh, 2-in-1. Oh, 2-to-1. Oh, hit that one in. Oh, dang it. Almost shake that one in. Perfect grab. Perfect grab. Right there. Look at that. It's perfect. Come Come on, knock him in. Oh, no. Let's try for this big mouse. That should knock it in if he gets it. Yes. Oh, that should definitely knock it in. Knock it in. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Perfect. 2 and 1. Oh wait, that's a 3. Wait, is that a 3 and 1? Stay. Yes, 3 and 1, I think. I'm not really sure. Oh wait, no, that was just a 2 and 1, but still, that was really good. Oh, that's a pretty good grab too. So, oh, dang it, didn't knock it in. Oh, I'm gonna go for this dog right here. Hopefully it'll knock the monkey in. Come on, knock the monkey in. Oh, how did it drop? I should have him. There. Didn't knock it in though. That's a shame. Let's see. I already got one actually. Oh, 2 and 1. Oh, no, don't fall, don't fall. Knock him in. Oh, almost knocked him in. Winning so much today, it's almost unbelievable. Oh yeah. Ooh, I think this might knock the monkey in. Knock him in. Oh, so close. That was close. Oh, there's a domo down there. I should have that one. Oh, almost got the Skittles. Oh, there's 2 of them. Okay. Okay, let's go for this one. That should have them. If it doesn't let go, alright. Alright, we're gonna go once for Skittles. And then actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for this pink dog. If it doesn't knock in the monkey, that should, oh, perfect grab on the dog. Nice, look at that. Racing right. Ooh, that should have it. 2 and 1. No, no, no. Stay, please stay. Get over there. Oh, 1 didn't go in. All right. Last try for the monkey. Oh, look. There's that. There's a fat dude back there. There's that fat, really want them actually. Just about my last try. I'm gonna go for a 2 and 1. I see Shrek down there. So basically, I need to get, oh yes, stay. Please stay. No, the Skittles isn't gonna stay. Yes, got Skittles. Holy crap, the shoot is, oh my god. There's so many prizes. All right. Moved on to the other machine. This is Sean the sheep, might be kind of cool. Thought he might be a cool prize to get. But we're gonna go for this frog because I think if I grab it, it might knock in other stuffed animals. Oh, that was weak. You see how weak that was? Holy crap. It's not weak. Oh no. Oh my gosh, how is that staying? It's never gonna make it, yes. Oh, that was close. That's a big monkey right there. I was about to say. Sitting duck right here, sitting duck. I guess apparently it's not that sitting duck. All right, this machine is weak. Let's move on to right here. This claw is strong, it'll pick it up. But I don't think it is. Oh yeah, I got it. First try. Yeah, got a bear. Yeah, alright. It's kind of far from the gravel. Or not, yeah, I guess from the jewelry, I guess you could say. Ooh, we got, yeah, oh, 2 and 1. Three prizes in 1 try. Nice. No, wait, I think that was just a 2 and 1. I'm not sure. Yeah, that was a 2 and 1. Nice. cool, like, little prize right there, I'd say. I don't really know how I could get it, though. Probably just gonna lose right here. Here we go. Come on. Ooh, that might, oh no. Alright, we're at trapdoor. Someone left that pig there, so let's go for it, of course. I might even be able to get it in one try, I'm not sure. Oh, that was horrible. This thing is so addicting, like once you start playing, it's hard to stop swiping your card. Ooh, that was close. Oh, come on. How's she staying? Oh, I gotta try one more time. You know I do. Gotcha. Yes, got her. 3 tries. All right. See what the claw will pick up. Oh, it looks like he's got the dog. That's good, because I don't want the dog.
Stand clear.
Cool. Get our prize out. Olivia the pig. I think I've seen her on Channel 8 or something, one of those kids shows. I'm gonna go for this fat-headed afro guy. Grab it by the afro. Come on, yes, right there. Nice. Perfect grab around the head. Around the fat, oh, whoa. It scared me for a second. Heart attack. Dog right here. Might not get him, I hope it does. Oh, that's got him, perfect. Oh, almost a 2-in-1. I got him. Oh no, cups are too hard. Not gonna go for it. Claw's too big. Should I go? I'll go for tiger. Come on, baby, get tiger, get tiger. Yes, got tiger. Last try, did I get him? Oh no. Now I can get a 2-in-1. Alright, 2-in-1 right here. 2-in-1. Oh, 3-in-1. No way. Oh. Darn. Oh, don't fall. Okay. Alright, let's get our prizes out of here. Actually, let's go for these junior mints. Let's just go. I want one of these large peanut chews. I don't think I can get them though. Try for this blue one. Ooh, oh, I missed it. Oh, got Snickers. Did it drop it? Seriously? It almost looked like it was about to drop it. Alright, here are all my prizes that I won at Dave & Buster's. Kind of show them all really quick. My big one wins. My small prizes. So let's count them all up now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it's hard to count while you're watching it on the screen. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Also on this from the candy crane. 33 prizes at the Dave & Buster's. Spent like $23, I think. Or yeah. So won all this stuff. Not a bad day. Actually a really, really good day. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and see you guys later. Bye.